Hello everyone. Today I will be making a hat and scarf set. Yes, a hat and scarf set using this yarn from Mandela. Is this Mandela? Wait, no, this is not Mandela. This is Hobby Yarn Horizon. I don't know if you could see that, but this is the colors. So beautiful. Yes, and I will be making a hat and scarf set similar to this hat right here. This is a slouch hat that I recently made. But this yarn I used here is the Mandela yarn. And I didn't have enough to make a matching scarf, but it came out really cute. But you can tell how slouchy it is. I'm gonna put some pictures up so you can see. But yeah, this is a slouch hat. I'm going to be putting this in my shop. So yeah, this is a slouch. And last night I had a little bit of that Mandela yarn left, and I was able to get this beautiful ear warmer. Yep, and this will be going in my shop as well. So you see those beautiful colors? I love blue. I love blue. I love all the blues. This is like a blue going into a purple. Then the back is like a denim blue. I don't know if you can see that real good. But yes, beautiful, right? I was going to actually just make a whole bunch of them using this, but I guess I just ordered some more of this because I think this will be a really cute hat and scarf set, don't you think? We're going to see what we can get out of it. And we're going to be using lace yarn for the scarf. I was going to put like pom-poms at the end of the scarf, but I don't know. Because I'm going to use my pom-pom maker. You'll see in the video. Also, we're going to be using this. My Sentro 48 needle. And guys, I know what y'all thinking. It sticks so good to this box. It don't make no sense. You cannot get this thing to stick on nothing else but the floor. The table, I guess it depends on your table, but I have like a card table, so it does not stick on that well at all. Like it'll stick for like a couple seconds and that's it. But you know what, let's get into this video right here. So, starting off, we're gonna use this pom-pom maker from Clover. Okay, we'll try it out. So, just like that. And then we just start wrapping. Wow.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity, for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with, now they looking nervously. And I don't really care what you think of me, respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better, see. I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe, I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Coming out with a statement. You really changed, man, all your music and arrangement. You don't know shit, shut your mouth, you can save it. I'm the same dude that got his come up from the basement. 100 songs, 100 weeks, didn't change it. Experiments, development, intelligence, and patience. I'll do it all again, cause I never feel complacent. Let's keep the good vibes, positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start losers. We're all late bloomers, gotta struggle through the sewer.
Now we're going to match it up just like this. See that? All the way at the bottom. Crochet hook, and we just gonna close it up.